If you want to back up all of your contacts to Google Drive, this quick tutorial will show you the safest and easiest way to do it step by step. This is a great habit if you ever change phones, lose access to your account, or just want a simple backup stored in the cloud where you can get to it anytime. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open Google Contacts in your browser. You can do this by going to contacts.google.com or by opening Google Contacts from your Google apps if you are already signed in. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed into the Google account that contains the contacts you want to back up. This is important because if you use the wrong account, you may export the wrong set of contacts or miss some that you need. Now look at the left side of the screen. In the sidebar, you should see an option called Export. Click on that and Google will open the export settings for your contacts. This is the step that creates the file you will later store in Google Drive. If you want to back up everything, choose the option for all contacts. If you only want specific contacts, you can select just those instead. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want a full backup or only a smaller group of people. Next, you need to choose the file format. Google gives you a few different options, including Google CSV, Outlook CSV, and vCard. If you are planning to keep this backup in Google Drive for safe storage, Google CSV is usually the easiest option. If you think you may want to import the contacts into another service later, Outlook CSV or vCard can also be useful. For most people though, Google CSV is the simplest choice for a clean backup. After you choose your format, click Export. Google will generate the file and download it to your computer. Once the download finishes, you now have a backup file containing your contacts. At this point, the backup is created, but it is still stored locally on your device, so the next step is to upload it to Google Drive. Open Google Drive in a new tab. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account where you want to keep the backup file. This can be the same account that holds your contacts, or a different account if you want to keep an extra copy somewhere else. Once Drive opens, look for the new button on the left side and click it. From the menu, choose File Upload. Then find the contacts export file you just downloaded and select it. Google Drive will begin uploading the file. Depending on the size of your contacts list and your internet speed, this may take only a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, your contact backup will now be safely stored in Google Drive. You can even create a dedicated folder for backups so it stays organized and easy to find later. For example, you might name it Contact Backups or Phone Backup Files. If you want to be extra organized, you can also rename the exported file before or after uploading it. A clear name like Contacts Backup 2026 or Main Contacts Export makes it much easier to identify later. That way, if you ever need to restore your contacts, you will know exactly which file to use. And that's really all there is to it. You've now exported all of your contacts from Google Contacts and uploaded the backup to Google Drive, which means your contact list is safely stored in the cloud and ready whenever you need it. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your contacts from accidental deletion, phone damage, or switching devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.